Hey, Joe Davis here with IMM Insurance Marketing Mastery, and for years, agents such as you and I have struggled with generating a high volume of referrals in our agency. We know why they're important. We understand it's not a quality issue, it's a quantity issue. You know, some numbers I saw the other day were really mind-boggling. Referrals are the second highest closing rate when it comes to lead sources for insurance agents, yet almost zero agents spend a majority of their time, effort, and marketing dollars on a referral program. You know, sure, for years we've done the $10 to $15 gas card or gift card or maybe some lotto tickets for referral. We've tried to set up networks with realtors or mortgage brokers. In fact, companies have even taken advantage of that and set up a paid membership where you can have a network available to you of realtors and mortgage brokers. But at the end of the day, what are they? They're paid leads still. That's not what a referral lead is. With the Ultimate Referral Machine, what we teach you to do step by step is how to set up a referral program in your agency. Now, it's not an issue of clients wanting to refer to you. They want to. The problem is we need to identify how they need to feel they need to refer to you. And that's exactly what the Ultimate Referral Machine does. Now on this page, I have deeply discounted the Ultimate Referral Machine just till the end of this week only. So I want you to take advantage of that. And what you're going to find when you get inside is how we set this up for you, not just the actual promotion and program you need to run your agency, but also templates, marketing material, and how to promote it. Not just to clients, but former clients and prospects, because you'd be surprised on how many people that may not be your customer now that will still refer to you. They'll feel the need to. So I want you to take advantage of this with the Ultimate Referral Machine, and hopefully you'll be able to see how you can create a self-generated lead source when it comes to referrals in your agency. So you can not just get the great quality of a referral lead, but the high quantity without having to pay $10, $15, $20 a pop. And the Ultimate Referral Machine, honestly, it's going to be the cost of maybe one paid lead. So can you sacrifice one paid lead this month? Or if you don't pay for leads now, can you sacrifice the cost of one paid lead for some other marketing effort you're doing this month? I sure hope so. I can't wait to show you this awesome Ultimate Referral Machine that we have ready to go step by step in your agency. So go ahead, click below, get access to it, and I will see you on the other side.